Top 10 Auto Repair in Denver. 1. Paddock Imports, 4.9 1138 reviews, West 7th Avenue. 2. Weaver's Automotive, 4.9 688 reviews, East Louisiana Avenue. 3. Pro Import Denver, 4.9 509 reviews, East Iliff Avenue Suite E. 4. Automotive Revival, 4.9 208 reviews, Decatur St Unit R. 5. All Pro Auto Repair, 4.9 111 reviews, East Colfax Avenue. 6. Urban Autocare, 4.8 820 reviews, High Street. 7. Hotchkiss Auto Repair, 4.8 751 reviews, East Colfax Avenue. 8. Mancinelli's Auto Repair Center, 4.8 746 reviews, Logan Street. 9. South Denver Automotive, 4.8 698 reviews, East Iliff Avenue. 10. Dart Auto, 4.8 502 reviews, Monaco St.